Hey, Bolt, I found something. What? Something cool. What is it? I don't know, it's something cool. Okay, what is it? I'll go grab it. Look! The last slice of pizza! Where'd you get that? I don't know. Look how cool it is. I don't care, Carl. It looks pretty good. It does look good. Say, could we share this? No. Carl, your voice just changed. Nah, it's all for me. Yep, it's all for me. That pizza is bigger than you are. Yeah? I could have at least a bite. Here. You can have this. That's all I get. Uh-huh. Can't I have more than that? No, the rest is mine. That pizza's huge. That's about as big as your body. I heard you even need to eat that all without some help. Are you gonna eat your pepperoni? Yeah, I'm gonna eat my pepperoni. Pretty good. I really want it. You mean this luxurious, absolutely tasty pizza slice? Please, can I have it? At least some of it? No! It's not mine! Carl, why can't I have at least a little bit? Because it's mine, Bolt. It's all mine. That's really good! Carl, why are you making it? Look how good it is. Ooh, yeah. Carl, why are you making it more tempting? I don't know. But it's pizza. So good. Please, can I have some? No. Please. No. Please. I'm begging you. No. You're not chicken. Not? No, you're not. That's really good. Look at this piece. Please. Okay, fine, I'll give you some. If you say I'm your best friend. Go ahead. You're my best friend. Okay, you can have some. That is really good pizza. Carl, stop staring at me. I'm trying to eat. Carl, why are you looking at me like that? Stop it. Carl? No. Carl, why are you just staring at me like that? I don't like it. It's creepy. Carl? Do you still want the pizza? Carl! Hello? Sorry. What were you just doing? I don't know. This is really good pizza. Hey, well, I can tell you where I found it. I'm sure. I found it in the garbage.